afternoon, everybody, and welcome to New Brunswick. We're still here. We just got back from the what was the provincial park we went to? So we just got back from Hopewell Cape Provincial Park, where we got to walk amongst all the cliff walls and everything. And we went ahead and drove a couple hours south and found another thing you're supposed to do, but you need the low tide. This is St. Martin's Sea Caves, and we're getting similar vibes here. So we're going to take you on a quick tour of it. So we got restaurants are here. Nice big parking lot. It's free to enter, and the tide should be slowly coming up right now, but you can see it gets up here pretty high, and how far out it is right now. So we're gonna get down low a little bit, go check out some of these caves, see how close we can get. Looks like they do have them blocked off, obviously, but go check them out and look inside. We're here on August the 8th, 2023. Got great weather. It rained when we were in Prince Edward Island first thing this morning, and it's rained off and on all day, but both times we were at a place, no rain. So we've lucked out in the rain department on these last two stops. Got lots of gravel down here. It makes it slow moving. Might like to try to,
like a rock slide.
Yeah, I might like to try to flip some of these, see if we can catch any critters or anything like that. Maybe you need to go a little further out. I figure maybe near where there's still water here might have some. Ooh, got a snail there. Bunch of snails.
Yeah, snail in this one too.
But nothing else.
Oh, just a snail.
Lots of snails. Got my water shoes on, so basically walk wherever I want. A little harder to get around than we were at the other place. It was a little more sandy. At Hopewell.
We're not gonna get muddy.
Yeah, we're not gonna get muddy. That's good.
See how it's cool.
Any critters?
Not bad.
No. Ooh.
It's not bad.
No critters there. So we just been driving up and down the coast here in New Brunswick. We went through Fundy National Park, I think, Fundy Bay National Park or something like that. Got some really nice views, but that wasn't the destination today, and we're on a little bit of a time crunch, so we just did a little bit of looking. Got a lot of clouds in there, and that's all that park seemed to be, was just look at the overlooks and stuff like that. And there was a lot of cloud cover, and so you really couldn't see anything anyway. So it was a good thing that we didn't plan to stop there, because we would have been disappointed without any views. Because I wanted to see the animals. I wanted to flip some rocks. Lots of little snails. Ooh, chilly. Kind of refreshing. Yeah, just snails. So this is a impromptu little Canadian road trip we've been doing. We were in Nova Scotia for a couple days and checked out the Cabot Trail and Halifax and Lunenburg and all that out there in Nova Scotia. So if you didn't watch those, go check those out. Those were awesome. And then this morning we were in Prince Edward Island. Kind of got rained out, but made the best of it. And like I said, we were at Cape Hopewell Provincial Park. And now here at St. Martin's Sea Caves, which is kind of a little bit of a hidden gem. That's one of the things I found when I look for hidden gems around the areas. It's not in a park at all. It's just its own little thing. Here we are at the ocean front. Whew. Pretty cool. Guess there probably won't be too many critters because they have freedom here. Wow. Woo! It surprised me. So the tide is definitely rising. It's got my feet. It's like they're working on something out there. Rocks. Whoa! Again. Okay, the water's coming. Here comes the tide. So let's go ahead and check out the sea caves because that's what we're here to do. Get a little bit closer. I don't know how much further out all this goes. I can see a couple buoys. They probably got marked for when it does go down that boats don't get too close. So it's not quite the flatland that Hopewell, Cape Hopewell was. But still quite a drop because you can see that water is going to come all the way up to there later today. Must be some type of spring here. Yeah, I think it's just running out there. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at this river. I didn't notice this here. Got like a river here running in. Guess I can cross over there. I'm gonna cross. Maybe an hour or two ago you might have been able to cross there. I'll have to cross up here. And get a little closer. There's one thing you know about me from these videos. I don't like cold water very much. And the water is not super cold, but it is quite cold. Now that's a little deeper than I thought it was. I think that is going to be the easiest place to cross. It's a little bit deeper there than I thought. You gonna come across? Yeah. Here, hold my bag then.
Just in case you go down.
Yeah. And my phone.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Chilly, 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 chilly. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, kind of seems a little shallower. Whew. This here is why you subscribe. So I'm doing this shin deep water for you so we can get into these caves. Whew. Me and the dogs. Whew. Look at that. Wow. Here we go. Thought that was thunder. I think it's just those trucks. See if we can get out here to the big cave. So it looks like if we'd have got here a couple hours ago, it's gonna be a lot easier, a lot more accessible with the water a little lower. But it is coming up. Like we said, we kind of caught the other place at the perfect time, but it's a 2-hour drive here, so kind of hard to fit them both in. Wow. Look at that. Whew. And you didn't have caves like that there, though. That's pretty sweet. Let's see how far around this corner we can go. Oh, I got a dog friend. Hello, dog. Let's see here. The water's coming up. It looks like about as far as we're gonna be able to go here today. I know. Look at that. Very cool. So it was just supposed to be a quick little stop, and that's just what it's gonna be, because you don't see things like this very often anywhere in the world. So let's head on back over through the water and get back to the car here. Ugh. Okay. So that's gonna be it for our quick little stop here at St. Martin Sea Caves. Cool little place. I would say if you're looking for a place to stop for lunch, if you can time up the tides right, come out here. There's a couple of lunch spots, free parking. Walk out here, enjoy the sights real quick. You know, even at low tide, I don't think you need to be here for any more than 15-20 minutes. You know, maybe let the kids flip some rocks or whatever. Great little stop here. If you're heading north, you can get the national park, the Fundy, which is north of here, or you can go all the way to Cape Hopewell Rocks. Great stops, both of them. Especially if you're in from Maine. If you're from Maine, you're looking to get into Canada and do something like that. Great drive right up the coast. Perfect. So if you like the video, hit the like button now. Comment if you have any comments or questions, and subscribe, because how would you know about this without me? Or how would you do this without me? Or if you're never gonna do it, how would you experience without us, right? So until then, I'm gonna maybe get the drone up, and we will see you in the next one.